Hi, I'm Wayne Brillhart, and I shoot birds with a Canon. It wasn't always that way. I used a Minolta camera for shooting the birds for my first book, The Mystery at the Bird Feeder. I took the pictures for this book in my own backyard, where we have our English setter, Purdy. She loves to sit on her doghouse watching whatever's going on. And as a consequence, she wound up in the background in many of the photographs of the birds that I took. And so we made Purdy the star of the story. And so, reading this dog story, children not only enjoy Purdy's mystery, but they also learn about the birds as well. One morning, Purdy finds the bird feeder on the ground empty. And since she's responsible for the backyard, she must find out who knocked the bird feeder down and ate all the birdseed. She asks the birds for help to solve the mystery. So as Purdy pursues the adventure, the student and the children that read the book will learn 8 different birds before they find the culprit. This book is available in softcover on Amazon.com or the hardcover with the glossy photographs on thebirdbooks.com. You can find a lot more information on www.thebirdbooks.com.